What's up, guys? It is Gabby with LongLivVintage here, back with another video. This time it is for this particular style, these faux locks. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so I have been seeing a lot of different girls with the faux locks in their hair, and so I started to research and see, okay, who in the area can do the faux locks and reasonable price. Okay, did not find anybody who was super reasonably priced. Everything I kept seeing was like hours on end. You have to sit there. I don't have that type of time. I know it's all about pamper yourself and just take care of yourself, do this, but I'm a working mother. I don't have time to sit down for 8 hours or 10 hours to get some locks done. So the next best thing was to do the crochet. My main concern with the crochet was I didn't want anything that looked super shiny. I didn't want anything that looked super fake. I just wanted them to look nice. I've had crochets one time before where I did the twists, and they were like the mamba twists. They were really long. They were cute. But my only issue with that was the uniformity of the end of the twist. Like it just, I don't know, like I had to keep like yanking them kind of to make them look like they weren't crochet twists. And so I said that I would give crochets another try, and this was the perfect time to do it with the faux locks. The ones that I used were the free tress braid 2x soft faux lock wavy light 20 inches. That's a mouthful. The color 4. I ended up going, it's a story behind this, but I ended up going to a beauty supply to get one more pack to kind of fill in the rest of the twist. And that was the free tress braid goddess lock, also in a color 4. I also got a 1 pack of a 27 color. I got that just because I just wanted a pop of color in my head, and I ordered 5 of those from Elevate Style. They were $4.99 a piece, which was an excellent price. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be able to get this hairstyle done in what, under $30, until until I was like, okay, I'm pretty much looking pretty scarce here on on the style. It just wasn't full enough for me. I just needed to fill in some more spaces here up at the top. Pros about the hair: it is not super shiny. It's got like a dull shine to it, and I wanted to make sure that whatever locks that I picked up were like that. But I was buying online, so I'm not totally sure. You got to just base it on the model and see if you can find a YouTube video. But so I was happy that they were not super shiny, because I feel like if you have locks, they technically, if they were real locks, they would not be shiny anyway. There's going to be some naturalness to it. The other thing is, I mentioned I didn't want them like uniform going all the way across and looking, like with the blunt end. So I was glad they kind of, had different levels to the ends of the twist. Other pro is the loop on the twist where you crochet and you put the latch in. And the price was excellent. The price was awesome. So I was happy about that. The only thing I wasn't happy about is when I had to go back out and get that other pack, because when I went to the beauty supply, the goddess lock alone was $10. Come on, man. I can't complain too much because the other packs were only $4.99. And plus, I think I had gotten a discount as well. So that was pretty cool. Cons about the hair: I can't really say that I have any cons about this hair. This is day 2 hair, so I did them like late Saturday night. So they kind of like get grabby. If I have to pick a con, if I have to say something, I'll say that they get kind of grabby. But I like how they're a little bit more frizzy now, because I just feel like it makes it look more realistic. I would definitely recommend that you get these and that you install them. Installation was very quick. Took me about an hour just to put the twist in, and once I got the hang of it, I mean, it was just no time at all. It just happened to be really late and I was tired when I started them. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so you are notified when new videos arrive. See you guys in the next video. Bye.